Else Nutrition, a food and nutrition company developing innovative, clean, plant-based food and nutrition products, has added a second U.S. powder production facility, as well as begun manufacturing at a new facility in Europe. The company is aiming to triple its production capacity as product sales remain robust. Else Nutrition has already performed 2 successful commercial production campaigns in the U.S. and plans to continue its accelerated manufacturing plan throughout 2023, establishing a higher level of available inventory. Else's CEO and co-founder, Hamutal Yitzhak, stated, "The additional production facilities will allow us to stabilize our production and build up sufficient inventory levels to meet the robust demand from our customers. We are excited to have entered a new phase in our journey, where leading grocery and mass North American retailers are now adding our products to their shelves. Our ability to properly support this fast-growing demand is critical for our success." Else Nutrition is a food and nutrition company in the international expansion stage, focused on developing innovative, clean, and plant-based food and nutrition products for infants, toddlers, children, and adults. Shares of Else Nutrition trade on the OTC under the ticker symbol BABYF. For more information, visit elsenutrition.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.